Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp grits. First, gather your ingredients: fresh shrimp, stone ground grits, and your favorite seasonings. Ensure your shrimp are peeled and deveined for easy cooking. We'll start by cooking the grits slowly, stirring frequently to achieve that perfect creamy texture. This foundational step is key to a truly satisfying dish. For truly perfect grits, aim for a ratio of 4 cups of liquid, like water or broth, to 1 cup of grits. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and a tablespoon of butter for rich flavor. Cook your grits over medium-low heat, stirring often for about 25 minutes until they are wonderfully creamy and tender. Patience here makes all the difference.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, standing in the kitchen for hours requires comfortable feet. Life's too short for cheap socks, so go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Now let's prepare the star of the show, the shrimp. Start by sautéing some diced bacon or pancetta until it's wonderfully crispy, then set it aside. Cook your shrimp in that flavorful rendered fat, adding minced garlic and a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. Finally, deglaze the pan with chicken broth to create a rich, savory sauce. To finish our amazing shrimp and grits, stir in your favorite cheese, like sharp cheddar or smoked Gouda, into the hot, creamy grits. A splash of cream or milk will add an extra layer of richness. Finally, spoon the luscious grits onto plates and top generously with your perfectly sautéed shrimp and that crispy bacon. Enjoy every bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.